So today I'm just taking the sound out of the TARDIS playset because it's too loud, it gets annoying, and I'd like to take lots of pictures of it, and the sound just gets in the way. Hopefully I'll be able to do it so I can pop the sound back in. Obviously, my screwdriver didn't go down far enough to actually reach the screws for this bottom bit, which is annoying, so I had to snap another bit off. Yeah, one of my wires is disconnected over there, so currently won't work. So I'm going to need my soldering iron out, which I'll probably do a jump cut to. And yeah, let's pull these screws out. I don't know what's actually underneath this speaker bit because I didn't bother taking this part apart. Is that just it? Oh, it actually just came off. I just noticed. Yeah, that's definitely off. The sound, I don't know if I'll be able to pop that back on ever. I don't know how. Just sort of attaches. I suppose that's all it needs to do. We need to reconnect the contacts to each other, which means I'm going to have to do it like that. I haven't actually used my soldering iron for years. I'll probably do it on a different service. I'll just do it over here. Oh, save me a jump cut, please. Right. Stick that on there. Take those off. Get the playset. Yeah, I have to lean this on something. Just lean on the box set. Yeah. Right. Soldering iron. It's in there. And you're gonna need that plug socket there. So I have an electric one, which is good. Do I need any solder? Probably not. There seems to be plenty on there. I don't know, it's on the best. Hey, oh, fuck's sake, phone. Right. Oh, come on. I do need a tripod. Right, that'll have to do. Right, and let's position that correctly. Oh, shit. Gotta be careful. Oh, this really isn't the best thing to be soldering with. I haven't done the heat dial. I've really forgotten how to. Oh. Am I reigniting old solder? It's getting hot. It's still not. Alright, here we go. Ah, I got it. Right, let's just turn that off. Right, yeah. Oh, I forgot to assemble the stand. Just gonna have to hold that up. It's not going down, that's good. And hope this works. Do not disconnect wire. I've actually got to get it lined up too, if it's that side. Okay, I'll just give it a test go. Yeah, it's on. And I'll get that up at the bottom. Now, correct. Ah, power up sound to that one's, well, not sound, but probably good lighting effects. And you don't get any annoying hum. That is really nice. I like it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Sorry for the crappy sort of way I've done it, but you know, I'm never ever prepared. So yeah, bye.